Who'd have thought a youngin' in the game like this? Lost so many times, I just had to resist. Lleva me la bolsa como Jesse W's. Take me to the money, only futures I pursue. Looking at my screen, just lost 2 bands. Time to make it back, that's the master plan. Losing everything, had to make it right. I don't chase no stock, it's just futures I like. What you know about that man, Jesse W? Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. Yeah, you know the name. Look at my wrist, this is just light. Count up some money and do it again, and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it blue. If I was you, I'd trade futures too. Me and Jesse making money moves. Like what you know about that man, Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. You know the name. Look at my wrist, this is just light. Count up some money and do it again, and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it blue. If I was you, I'd trade futures too. Me and Jesse making money moves. Like what you know about that man, Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. You know the name. Who'd have thought a youngin' in the game like this? Lost so many times, I just had to resist. Lleva me la bolsa como Jesse W's. Take me to the money, only futures I pursue. Looking at my screen, just lost 2 bands. Time to make it back, that's the master plan. Losing everything, had to make it right. I don't chase no stock, it's just futures I like. What you know about that man, Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. Yeah, you know the name. Look at my wrist, this is just light. Count up some money and do it again, and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it blue. If I was you, I'd trade futures too. Me and Jesse making money moves. Like what you know about that man, Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. You know the name. Look at my wrist, this is just light. Count up some money and do it again, and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it blue. If I was you, I'd trade futures too. Me and Jesse making money moves. Like what you know about that man, Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. You know the name. Who'd have thought a youngin' in the game like this? Lost so many times, I just had to resist. Lleva me la bolsa como Jesse W's. Take me to the money, only futures I pursue. Looking at my screen, just lost 2 bands. Time to make it back, that's the master plan. Losing everything, had to make it right. I don't chase no stock, it's just
What's going on, guys? Good morning. Good morning. Happy freaking Wednesday. Great to be back. It's been, what, 2-3 weeks now that we haven't had a live stream. Completely unacceptable, but shit happens, as we already know. We lost power down there in the Keys. Then things just got a little bit wild. And then last week, we all know we had that 12-hour mishap on a Tuesday on the road. But we're back, and I'm happy to see everyone in chat, guys. We're going to be doing giveaways today. $150,000 take profit trader evaluation. We're going to be giving away a trade day, end of day 50K eval to whoever is number one in chat. I see here we got Traders Den in number 3, and we have Kier. I'm just going to say Kier. In number 1, let's see who's number 2. I don't see you, but I guess you'll pop up here soon enough. Great to see everybody in the chat, guys. Tevin, Norb, Guardian Trades, MCZ. What's going on? Guitar Guy, JT in the house. Solaf, what's up? What's up? Good to see you guys here today. Wild week we had. We just had, what do we have just come out here recently? PMI, and we got that crazy pop. Let me see here. What news did we have? Oracle spiking 29%. Wonder if it knew it was going to do that. Oracle and all. Yes, that was a dad joke. What did we have at 8:30? We had PPI and then core PPI, both coming in under expectations there. Coming in negative 0.10% across the board. Expected, forecasted was 0.30. Wow. We got a bull flag there that looks like it might fail. Who knows? Not going to be touching that anytime soon. At least I'm not going to let this market open up. I've had a great stint here to start the month. Very positive in my Apex accounts. Very positive in my Take Profit Trader accounts with multiple payouts. I got 4 payouts already in a row out of Take Profit Trader. Didn't trade yesterday, so no payout. Took the day off. I actually was considering jumping on a cruise, to be honest. I didn't get enough time to sit down and start looking at some, but I was thinking about just jumping on a cruise. But I was like, no, not just yet. We gotta kick off September with the team in YouTube, and then we'll see. Maybe we'll do a little impromptu cruise. Oh man, so how you guys been going? How you guys been doing? Let's see here. What's up with the music? It just went away. I feel like I'm watching a commercial to a safari. Like a travel agent commercial to a safari. That's what that music feels like right now. It's not bad. I I feel like I walked into, what's that crazy nice resort? God, I've only been there once. I want to go again. Animal Kingdom. It felt like I walked through the doors of Animal Kingdom. Lion King, that's what that was. It's going, Kier. It's going. Any pre-open trades? No trades. I have no trades. Stepping into the day. Kind of like in a chill mode here. We're going to see how it goes. I didn't trade yesterday. Massive gap up on the SPY here into new all-time highs. Will it get sold into? We're going to find out here shortly. Look at this. Look at that crazy gap up. That thing is nuts. Let's see. What do you mean? SMK has 900 XP just like here. And Traders Den has 810 XP. So they can catch up to number 1 rather quickly and take it over. Tevin is in 4th place with 600 XP. Traders Nest with 575. You guys, the morning just started. You can catch up. Trying to find you guys the rules regarding Google and how to get number one. Can't find it. Oh no. I can't find it. Look at that drop. Yeah, well, whatever. Can't find it. Maybe I'll find it later. Gotta get back to trading. God, I got this new ring light here in the corner, and it's just in the damn way. There we go. Now I can see. All right. All right. We're back in it. We're back in it. Yo, SMK, good morning. Bobby, what's up, my man? We're just trading sideways right now here on the SPY, not doing much. Tushar, doing, man, I'm doing. Hanging in there. How about you? Guys, Kevin says the music seems loud. Is this music a little bit too loud? I'll lower it. Let me know. Fun fact, when I trade by myself, I don't have music on. Good stuff, Tushar. T. Cooper says, yeah, it's too loud. Well, how about now? I lowered it a little bit. Let me know, guys. Getting that bounce back. Just trading sideways right now. Only 5 minutes into the open. All right, so a SPY popping up here. New high of day. New all-time high, of course. NQ trying to recover that big drop. NQ struggling there in front of 980. The hourly chart testing a support zone here. Huge 15-minute candles here that we've seen. Trader's Den, is it still loud? No way. NQ kind of bear flagging here. I mean, if it gets under 940, could, you know, it'll get at least get back under 920, probably a little bit lower. But I don't know, man. I'd be surprised to see it get under 940 right now, testing that hourly support zone. We're just chilling there. Like, it's just there, not doing anything. Bear flagging under that 940. Well, above that 940. By trying to jump off VWAP on the 3-minute. There's your SPY trying to jump off VWAP on that 3-minute. You got NQ getting under 940 real quick. SPY sitting at VWAP. $940 area trying to hold resistance now. We got underneath that 940. It doesn't look like it wants to stay underneath it. You got SPY trying to hold VWAP desperately. The SPY is flagging. You can see it clear as day. There's your SPY bull flag. But NQ is definitely struggling there. If the SPY were to drop and invalidate that bull flag, NQ should fail. If NQ gets under 920, then I think it starts to get itself into a little bit of trouble. But the SPY acting really, really lazy. It might be a gap and crap. Could happen. Or just a all-day sideways chop fest. That's an account killer. That's typically an account killer. Yo, yo, yo. SPY still holding on to that bull flag. Under 920 is when NQ starts to get a little bit dicey for the bulls, and definitely starts to look better for the bears. You already know I'm a better bear than I am a bull. The SPY broke underneath that bull flag for a second. Something's got to give here. Something's got to give here eventually. Well, there you go. That 20 level hold and support. We said, you know, watch for 20 test, and it tested it. If you broke under 40, SPY still in the bull flag. So the bull flag's still working itself out on the SPY. Meanwhile, there's your kind of crappy price action on NQ. SPY trying to get back up over the bull flag and push the highs. Meanwhile, NQ just trading sideways down here at the lows. Crazy, really weird action. Look at this NQ chart. Look at this SPY chart. Nvidia pushing, looking great for a pullback into VWAP for a bounce play. Big gap up on Nvidia here. NQ new lows. Meta dumping. Google, meh, not much going on there. Tesla in the lows. Meanwhile, SPY trading sideways. Man, that is some crazy chop. That is some crazy chop if you ask me. Look at this thing. Chart giving back that 830 move. We have clear possible support down here in that 900 zone. You're gonna spill it. Just leave it right there. You almost spilled it. Talking to my wife, so she brought me some Cuban coffee, and it was almost spilled. It was spilled. All right, so check out the SPY again, trying to break out of that bull flag, giving you the NQ, just chopping around. Yeah, it's been pretty choppy. That's why, yesterday I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna take the day off. Wasn't feeling all that great anyways. Took the day off. And today I said I'm coming in here chill mode. I was like, I'm gonna come in here chill mode and that's it. And see if something pops up that I like the trade. Otherwise, I might just be a spectator today and that's all right. Here you go, guys. How to get number 1, 2, and 3 in chat. Found the link in chat there for you, directly from Google support. In the meanwhile, remember, you got yourself Take Profit Trader with 40% off, Trade Day with 30% off, both suspending their activation fees. You got Bulanox with 83% off because Apex said they were going to be 80. So Bulanox said, well, yeah, we'll see you're 80 with an 83. But nothing hits better than taking payout on 20 accounts over at Apex. Actually, Discord member. Discord is free, guys, by the way. Let me get you the Discord. A Discord member posted yesterday. We've been working there together, and he got himself 20 accounts, $2,000 a piece, payout approved. Actually, I gave away some accounts last week when I didn't stream and didn't have a video on Thursday. We're definitely doing some giveaways today. SPY, brand new high, breaking out of that bull flag, guys. And if you think about it, you got that out of the SPY, new high. Meanwhile, NQ popped off those lows, but hasn't done a damn thing. Hasn't done a damn thing. All right. So speaking of giveaways, who is ready for the first giveaway of the day? Type the number 1 in chat if you're ready for the first giveaway of the morning. Got a little pop there. All right. So, since you guys seem to be ready, I'm going to give you a little heads up. First things first. And that's click this link. Pick the account size you want. And use this code. Go, go, go. First person to get it wins, but you might get lucky. And if y'all do it fast enough, you might, multiples will win. Any account size you want. Vote. Let me know who gets it. Oh, look at that drop. Oh, bro. Damn, that NQ is just going to be to trade today. Today's an easy day to blow up, guys. So be careful. Very easy to get chopped up. keep you guys guessing. No, I usually just post it in chat. I call it out in my videos. Gotta be quick, gotta be quick, gotta be paying attention. We'll do another giveaway before the end of the stream, guys. Don't worry. And we still have the number one. Whoever's number one by the end of the stream is going to win the trade day 50K end of day eval. The chop is wild this morning. Guys, remember to smash that like button for me. Really helps out tremendously. Here, still in number one with 975 XP. SMK nipping there at 975 XP as well. And Traders Den with 885. You guys are getting close. The race to number one for that end of day trade day eval is heating up. Guitar guy, no worries. We'll do another one. Do another one pretty soon. Look at that recovery on NQ. That is a serious wick. We talked about that 900 level, and damn, we got right to it and bounced 40 something points off of it. But is it enough? I don't know. Are we gonna chop around, or I want to short the crap out of this, to be honest, but damn, man. I mean, I'd have to stop. It'd have to be over 46 or 45 zone. It's not a bad setup for the short. If it breaks under 900, this thing's in trouble. Hey, that would suck. That would suck. Wouldn't doubt it. Damn, 900 about to get tested again. So instantly. That's almost pretty damn bearish if you ask me. If 900 breaks down like a hot knife through butter now, then it'll be pretty ugly. But if it holds, you know, we might see the chop if we don't see a big recovery. If this SPY could break underneath that 9 EMA, I think that's when you get that party started. But as of right now, it's holding. Holding pretty damn good on that 3 minute. Look at that candle trying to go green. So when I mentioned that stop over 46, I got short and added, took a piece of profit off. Still have a runner. If that runner stops me out over 40, it'll be a red day. All right, guitar guy. SPY reclaiming that VWAP and starting to push a little bit. NQ lagging. If the SPY could break it down, NQ dumps pretty damn infinite. But the SPY right now just refuses to die. It's done a great job of holding that 9 AMA on that 3-minute chart. Nine AMA, 23.6 fib. It's done a really good job of holding that level, man. If it eventually breaks down underneath this 9 AMA, I think that'll start to trigger a little bit of a sell. But it's gonna have to do one of these under that 9 AMA. Because we haven't made a new low, we've just tested it. Damn ring light's in the way. I can't see my volume. The bounce back so far has been rather weak, though. And you still have like a little bit of a, bear flag formation here on the NQ. One of my favorite setups, obviously. So far, it seems like, at least on the NQ side of things, sellers are in control. On the SPY side of things, you got yourself a big tug of war. I don't like those tug of wars. Eventually, one side quits, and when that one side quits, you get a big move. But got a big gap up. No real reason for a big sell to come. So I don't know. 10 a.m. Have a little quick move there. At 9 AMA, it's creeping up to that VWAP on the SPY here pretty soon. I like that. Could establish a 9 AMA VWAP crossover. Which could send the SPY through the highs, which would make a pop on NQ. And there it is. NQ popping. SPY pushing. Stopped out of that runner on the short. Looking like it might want to push here and squeeze out everybody. If it can remain over 40, it might do just that. If the NQ gets over 50 with some umph, watch out for a squeezeroon. Could see us right back at 80. SPY continuing to push. Volume is light on the push on the SPY. NQ into those 50s again. It needs lots of volume to break through that 50 and make the push. It could push right into 80. It could. SPY with a new high. That 9 AMA really held up that SPY well. Oh, you are on the SPY chart. 60's getting tested now on NQ. All right, I might be done there. Took that long, made back some of the loss. Still red on the day, but very manageable. 230 bucks red on the day. NQ pushing into that 60 zone. Good volume increase. But you know how the freaking case has been. The SPY has been so far ahead of the Qs. So any pullback on the SPY could bring this NQ right back down to 920, which would reset it for a long. So as long as the SPY can hold up over VWAP, I would say. On that 3-minute setup we talked about. And remember, we talked about 9 EMA VWAP cross. We held this 9 EMA beautifully, right? Holding at 23.6 fib now. Pullbacks into this zone on some light volume could be viable. All right, I think I'm going to sit on my hands here for a minute. Let this thing do whatever weirdness it wants to do. Time is it? 10:04 a.m. Pretty lackluster morning so far. Red on the day. What is it? 230 bucks. Traded one account so far today. And it's looking like it might stay that way, to be honest. There she goes into 70 zone. This is some of the shittiest price action I've seen in a while. Whoa, this camera zoomed in on me. Don't zoom in on me. Why the hell did it zoom in on me like that? Crazy. 10:05 a.m. guys. We're gonna be doing another giveaway probably in about 10 minutes. So get your Apex stuff ready, and we're gonna do another Apex giveaway in about 10 minutes. Give me 1 second here, guys. Damn, I think we're all tired, huh? That's why I laughed. I read the comments now. Devin and Dre saying they're tired. I'm tired. Pretty damn sure you can tell I'm tired. Well, we got to that 80 zone that we talked about. Yeah, Bobby, it's pretty meh at best price action. Yeah, bro, it really has been. Honestly, the last 2 weeks have been tiring. All right, Bobby, take care, bro. Drive safe. Yeah, the last 2 weeks have been pretty tiring. Looks like we're gonna just freaking bang right through 80, to be honest. SPY not showing any signs of slowing down. Right through those highs at nice 9 AMA VWAP crossover. It was a really nice setup here against the 9 EMA, but it was a 50-50 at best at the time. That's why I actually took the NQ short. Now I'd look for a pullback. A pullbacks into 940 zone on the NQs, if those hold. But this is just such garbage price action on the shorter time frames anyways. I've been looking at the 15-minute and the hourly. In my opinion, they're not looking any better. No, they're not looking any better. I mean, honestly. There's your hourly chart in the NQ. Here's your 15-minute chart on the NQ. You know, we might either we could dump infinitely today or even catapult to new highs. But I might call it myself a day here pretty soon. Honestly, I'm not even looking at 940 anymore. I'm looking at those 930 zones. Yassine, what's up? What's up? Agreed, Kevin. All right, guys. So let me see here. New video drops tomorrow at 11 a.m. I think you're gonna like it. I'm gonna be going over Tradeify's new rules. Well, not new rules, new updates on Tradeify. And we're also going to be going over Top Step wanting to become a broker. They seemingly are already registered. That's something. Could be good. Hey, but they got to get that Project X thing under control. Oh, my thumbnail's ready. Don't like it though. Gonna have to change some stuff here. But I will answer and get that squared away later. P-Doggy, I missed being live. Matty Matt, my pleasure. Not sure if you're in the stream, but I see you replying over on the Discord. He's the one that got his $2,000 payout approved on 20 Apex accounts. Just happy to be a part of it, brother. I mean, there's still a prop. Bingo, Trader's Nest. Yeah, 40K is nice. I'd say so. I'd definitely say so. Damn, I can't believe I didn't pull back into the 30 zone. We didn't even get to 40. We got to like, what, 45? 44.50. I think it should still pull back a little bit more, but Guys, remember to hit that like button for me. It really helps out tremendously. Nice push off of that 44-40 zone. I was really hoping we'd pull back into the 30s. That would have made an easier long setup. I probably would have taken a stab at it. Couple lots, scalped one, held the runner. Because, I mean, if you get through 80, this thing will go nuts. It's wild. Like, let me see, where's my chart at? You gotta understand, this right here was your 8:30 a.m. news candle. Gargantuanly huge. We traded sideways, consolidating. Everybody thought, oh, bull flag will break out at the open. I said, we probably dump it, and we did. Sadly, I wasn't in on it. We gave back the entire 8:30 move in one candle. Went lower, only to recover it. This is now bullish. It's now bullish. Well, all it takes is one slip up on the SPY and we'll dump it all because the NQ is well behind the SPY. I mean, just look at the Qs. Look, here's your SPY. Look at your daily, all right? Look at your 15-minute chart. Look at your Qs. Qs are still red on the day. So that means if the SPY has a consolidating pullback at some point, you'll probably see the Qs just throw up all over itself and get back down here to these lows. So it makes it really difficult to play the NQ right now. You're better off playing the ES. And with that said, it is time for another giveaway. And we're going to do an Apex giveaway. You guys already know it. Let's do the following. The letter T, all caps, 8, G, J, 5, L, F, 5. And I'm going to copy and paste it in chat for you, but I'll say it one more time. T as in Tom, 8, G as in golf, J as in your boy Jesse, 5, L as in Lima, F as in Fox, 5. Bam. There it is in chat. Go ahead, grab it, scoop it up. Let me know who wins. All right, guys. In today's stream, we're going to probably end it here in the next 10 minutes. 5-10 minutes. So whoever's number one by the time the stream ends, I'm going to give you my email. You're going to have to email me so you can get your code to Trade Day and get that 50K end of day eval. Yo, Black Diamond got one. Let's go. Tevin got one. Let's go. There we go. Another one. Shah got it. That's what's up. Ronnie Trades got one. Let's go. Damn, Traders Den got one. SMK got one. What? Futures Bets got one. Kevin's got one. What? Let's freaking go. Everyone got a piece. I love it. What is up with that music? I think it's hard. Oh man. Whoa, what did I click? Unread. Oh, getting through some emails here, guys. Hey yo, Trader's Nest saying thanks for the Apex. Yo, love it, man. My pleasure. I love doing these giveaways with you guys. When I started trading the props, there was no giveaways to be found anywhere. And I started trading the props before I became an affiliate. Or at any rate, even if I became an affiliate at the same time, I was making zero money. So it's awesome to be able to do those giveaways and you guys be able to get these shots at free accounts. Like, I wish when I started trading pennies, like the penny stocks way back, like 8 years ago, I wish this prop thing would have been around in this fashion. This would have been game changer, man. Yo, Kier coming through with a super chat of themselves. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. Bilal, the giveaways are done randomly, and also whoever's number one in chat at the end of the stream, they will win a free account. In today's case, they're going to win a $50,000 end of day trade day account. So you see a little crown, a little purple crown next to their names. They get that by chatting, by doing super chats, and I don't know what the hell else you can do, but this link explains it all. On the chat side of things, that's got to do with Google and YouTube, nothing to do with me. My pleasure, Black Diamond. Yeah, it definitely is, Dre. It's super nice, bro. You know, and thanks, Traveler. In my case now, I just take advantage of those payouts, you know. I've done really well this year with payouts. I'm on track to maybe get myself $20,000 in payouts out of Apex this month. I'm on track for it. We'll see if we get it. I'm kind of glad I didn't trade my Apex accounts today because, well, price action is kind of crappy. Oh, Kier and Trader's Nest fighting it out. It really is, Kevin. Yo, thanks, Tevin. Appreciate it, man. The battle is real. Look at that, bro. Another, it just dipped into 50, held and pushed off. Let's see what the SPY did at that moment. I bet you it was just a little light pullback. A little light pullback into what? The 9 AMA, guys. Look at that 9 AMA holding up. The SPY still. Are you kidding me? That was nice. If I would have seen that, I probably would have taken a scalp long on NQ. Nice, Traveler. Get that payout. You know, don't worry about it. You got day 3. You know, if it takes you, I've had payouts that taken me 18 days to get. That's the key there. You don't have to do it in 8 days. You know what I mean? You don't have to. A lot of times chasing that 8-day thing blows up an account. Like, for example, you're on day 6 or day 7, right? And you have a red day. And now you're like, damn it, I can't get the payout I want tomorrow, blah, blah, blah. And you push it and you blow up the account. I've done it. We've all done it. I see those stories online all the damn time. And then people will blame the props. It's not the props, it's us. It's us. You know, it's us. Who the hell says you have to do the payout on day 8? You don't. Do the damn payout on day 10, 11, 12. Who cares? Think about it this way. You got yourself 5 accounts. You pull out $2,000 per account. That's $10,000. Are you currently making $10,000 in 1 month in your current job? If the answer is no, then why do you got to make it in 8 days with a prop? You don't. Who cares if it takes you 30 days? You know what I mean? That's the mentality, guys. Whoa, Trader's Nest coming through again. Here, fighting it out. Good Lord, you guys are crazy savages fighting it out. Exactly, Traveler. It's about consistency. That's it. I've done it. I've blown up accounts that are a day away from payout because, oh, I had a red day today. So what? So what? I think one of my last ones was, it took me 19 days or something like that to get my payout. Put $10,000 in my pocket in 19 days. It's freaking great. You know, earlier this year, I did 42,000 in 90 days, maybe a little bit less, a little bit more, something like that, earlier in the year. That was a really nice stint. Same accounts, just bang, 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 knocking them out. There's no rush. Buffalo TV. So first, second, and third place gets, well, first place gets a trade day 50K end of day evaluation today. If you're in first place in chat, one of the ways you get those XP points is by chatting, interacting, commenting, etc. And then of course, there's other ways that you can boost it, and you can find that here on this Google support link, where they explain how the leaderboard works. This is all Google stuff, YouTube. Yeah, Traveler, you haven't seen that video? Because I made a whole video. That's the bullshit. I'll tell you right now. People love to talk crap. Oh, Jesse, you post these other news and drama videos. Do you even trade, bro? Yeah, I trade, fool. But do you ever watch the trading videos? Do you comment on the comment section of the trading videos? Right? Do you smash the like button on the trading videos? Like, I see people bitch and moan in some of my videos about, oh, do you? But I never see them comment on the trading videos. Never, right? Here, look, $500 into 42,000. There's the video. One of the worst performing videos of the year. Make it make sense. Yo, Trader's Nest, badass. Let's go. Guys, remember with funding ticks, you can use coupon code all caps JESSEW as well. Yeah, Traveler, exactly. Oh, people are definitely getting cooked today. Kevin, for sure. All right, guys. Time to call it a morning. And the top #1 winner is the Trader's Nest. You win the 50K account at a trade day. Okay, it's an end of day account. You got to email me. I need you to email me right now, brother. Trader's Nest. Email me now to claim. Info at. All right, send me that email, bro, so I can get you squared away. We're going to call it a day here. Congratulations. You guys put up a tremendous fight. You and Kier. Golly. SMK stayed at 975 XP. I think he might have signed off. Yeah, I hear that, Tevin. Oh shit, SMK, you are here. What's up? Ah, that's not how it works. It's #1. Whoever's #1. As the year progresses, we're going to start doing things for #2 and maybe #3. All right. Well, Trader's Nest hasn't been the only one that's won first place here. Like a lot of times. He hasn't been the main one. That's one. I think he's only won one other time. Yeah, besides exactly, Tevin, I don't make these rules. That's not how it works, SMK. If we're gonna talk about deserve, shit, we all deserve something or another, to be honest. Well, I can't be giving away an account directly to him because that would be a rule break. But what I can do is give everybody a shot at another Apex account. Enter. It's in chat. There's a code. Whoever gets it, gets it. Whoever gets it, gets it. Trader's Nest, did you email me? Subject line. What is? Okay, gotcha, brother. Let me see here. Let me go check my email. Got it, man. Perfect. I put it in chat, Fafo. Damn it. The chat, the code's in chat, guys. You serious? I just posted it in chat. You put it in your Apex cart. It's an Apex code for a free account. We give them away in all my videos. This last video isn't, Thursday's video isn't gonna have one. We give them away in all my videos, and we give them away throughout the stream every week. You gotta use it with Apex when you're checking out. It'll be a free eval, but it'll go fast. Like by now, see, Trader's Nest got another Apex. Damn, Futures Bets got an Apex account right now. Who else got one? Tevin got one. I don't stream daily, brother. I stream Wednesdays at 9:15 a.m. I only stream once a week, upload videos Mondays and Thursdays. I will be streaming a little bit more as the year progresses, but for right now, we're going to keep it at 1 for the foreseeable future. All right, my peeps, I am out of here. Thank you guys for tuning in. Remember, tomorrow, 11 a.m., new video drops. You're going to like it. It's pretty damn good, in my opinion. Very informative. Update on Tradeify's new stuff that they got going on. And some prop that screwed a trader out of $30,000, apparently. Guys, keep it green.